Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bahria College's PNAT. I am Salima Raza, your chemistry teacher, class 10 Federal. The chapter is Acid, Bases and Salt. It is our fourth lecture of chapter 10. Topic: pH scale and its measurement. Learning objectives. At the end of this topic, students will be able to describe what is pH, use of pH paper, and how to find out pH. Here you see the definition of pH and pH scale. It is defined as the negative logarithm of concentration of H ion in an aqueous solution. Mathematically, it can be represented by the formula pH equals to negative log of concentration of H ion. Dear students, the pH of water is 7. All aqueous solution with pH 7 at 25 degrees centigrade are neutral. If pH is greater than 7, the solution is basic. As solution become basic, OH increases and H ion decreases. If pH is less than 7, the solution is acidic. As you know, as the solution become acidic, H ion increases and OH ion decreases. Dear students, you see the definition of pH scale. What is pH scale? Chemists use a number scale from 0 to 14 to describe the concentration of H ion in a solution. It is known as pH scale. Dear students, I have shown you a litmus test in my first lecture, Introduction of Acid, Bases and Salt, with the help of which we recognize the solution either acid or base. But we can't calculate the strength of acids or bases with the help of litmus paper. As I told you in my first lecture that we will discuss the strength of acid and bases in our next lecture. So today I will explain you that how can you recognize either an acid is a strong acid or weak acid, or a base is a strong base or weak base. Here you see a chart which indicate the color of different pH. Scientists use different method to measure pH of a solution. pH paper of universal indicator paper is used to measure pH of a solution. For this purpose, pH paper is dipped in the solution. The color that develops on the pH paper is compared to the color corresponding to a known pH on the chart, as you see in the given chart. In laboratories, we use a pH paper or a universal indicator to measure the pH. This given an approximate measure of the pH value of some common substances are indicated in the pH paper as shown in the following figure. You can see that lemon juice has 2.2 pH, which shows red color in scale or chart. It means we can easily identify that the acid either a strong acid or a weak acid. And you can also see in the chart that sodium hydroxide solution has pH 14 with purple color, and we can say that it is a strong acid. So pH paper is an indicator which easily recognize acid strength. Dear students, now we explain that how can you find out pH of any solution. If you see in the problem, here you see that calculate the concentration of a solution which has concentration of H ion equals to 1 into 10 raised to power minus 5 molar. It means that if concentration of H ion is known, you can calculate the pH with the help of which you can recognize as the solution strength. The given formula is pH equals to negative log of concentration of H ion. By putting the value of concentration of H ion, we have pH equals to negative log of concentration of H ion, which is 1 into 10 raised to power minus 5. According to the laws of logarithm, 1 into 10 raised to power minus 5 become minus 5. And by multiplying both minus sign, it become plus 5. So pH of the solution is 5, which means it is an acidic solution. In the last, I am giving you home task for your practice. You can solve this question at your home and practice. Do question 7 of review question and do self-assessment of 10.4 and 10.6. Dear students, today my topic is completed. We will meet in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz and thank you.